There's a new love in my life, not a lover, not your wife, but I know this truly is a love affair. The new apple of my eye is my daughter's little boy, and my world's a brighter place because he's there. I love to watch him run and play. He makes the most of every day in a world of secret friends that he's just found, where dragons wander free and where pirates save the seas, where Spider-Man and Batman call her. He's a pint-sized action man, and he's always got a plan. He only kills the baddies if they're really bad. Ooh. But in my heart I sang the day he let me join his gang, and that first time that I heard him say, Grandad. He's a rascal, he's a pest, he won't ever let you rest. Sometimes I think he runs on Duracell, but I wouldn't change a thing for the treasures of a king. I just love him, and he loves me as well. He's a pint-sized action man, and he's always got a plan. He only kills the baddies if they're really bad. Ooh. But in my heart I sang the day he let me join his gang, and that first time that I heard him say, Grandad. Yeah, the first time that I heard him say, Grandad. La, la, la. Yeah, the first time that I heard